Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Adams Rite number 41-0901-05 end cap assembly. This is an end cap, and I have one removed here from the packaging. And this is what it looks like. Adams Rite has a series of different end caps for their series of different exit devices. This unit is compatible with a good handful of those different exit devices. Before we switch to the screen view, we'll take a closer dimensional look. The overall height of the plastic portion of the end cap assembly is about 2 3/8. The overall width up at the top, it's about 1 1/8. The projection, it's about 1 1/4 inches. The metal tang that's coming off the back of it is going to produce an overall width of about 6 inches, maybe 6 1/16. Okay. Now let's switch to the screen view and take a closer look at the supporting documentation. Okay, so this is the item that we are here looking at, 41-0901-05 end cap assembly plastic. Okay, great. So this is compatible with these different series of mortise exit devices, this series of concealed vertical rod, and the 8099M push bar device as well. So you can click on these those links and you'll pull up a parts diagram for each of the individual device series that are here. Handy way to be able to take a closer look at the end cap, and you'll note that, let's look at the 3300. Okay, that is the active side, or the latch side end cap. Okay, you might say, well, what's the other end cap I need? Well, here it is, 41-0903, and so on. Hinge cap cross-reference, that's very handy. And that's a document that I believe was provided to me from Adams Rite, more of just a spreadsheet, you know, an internal document that's just a quick way to see what device end cap is required based on the device you have. People will call and they'll say, hey, I need an end cap. I need a part number HX0674. I'm sorry, what? Wait, they don't have a part number like that. But you can cross-reference it because that's the casting number. And with this document, you'll be able to know exactly what the client's looking for. So whether or not you know the casting number, that's fine. As long as you know the part number or the series of the exit device, and using the manufacturer's catalog, you ought to be able to determine what series you have. You'll have to be mindful because some of these series are just simply separated by fire rated and not fire rated. Okay, so be mindful of that. All of that pertains to the latch side. On the hinge side, the good news is this: all exit devices, you can do them in metal or plastic. They will all have a casting number HX0471. So if someone calls you with a 0471, you automatically know it is the hinge side. Some people will say, you know, I've got the plastic end cap and that keeps cracking. Is there a metal end cap? Yes, there is. People will often want metal end caps on their doors, and the reason they do is you have either a door or, say, a pair of doors. Wow, that's awful. Or a pair of doors. Well, you get those doors open, whether or not it's a single door or a double door, and with that cap hanging off there, right, just loosely showing you as that, sorry, I'm not an artist. As the cart traffic comes through, okay, sometimes this and this contact each other, and you don't want that. Boom, crack goes the end cap. So that would be an idea of why people want metal versions, because they're just more durable. It does happen, is the bottom line. So very handy document. Speaking of handy documents, there's a link below this video here to the manufacturer's page. That will allow us to review not only all of the Adams Rite products that we sell, okay, by means of this horizontal navigation that we have here, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. That's a very handy document. But another very handy document is the link to the parts manual that will allow you to review all of the available published parts drawings that Adams Rite publishes, I should say. If it's published, it's here, and we endeavor to keep this file always up to date. It's not conclusive. There are many items that Adams Rite has that they apparently do not have a parts drawing available for, but it's really handy when it comes to these exit devices because they're published. Lots of documentation for their series of exit devices are here. Why is that important? Well, somebody broke your end cap, and you know what? That dogging assembly, that's awfully worn as well, and my key doesn't work very well because it's worn out. It's rounded on the inside. What part number is that? Well, there it is. Okay, so that's what this else. That is why this document is so helpful, because it will allow you to get the other part numbers, populate those back into our search, and continue on with your purchase. Okay, it's a very handy document. Let's wrap up this video on camera. In conclusion, a very typical sort of item that we have here, end cap. They do get broken, cracked, damaged, things of that nature. That's why people generally will purchase them, because they've succumbed to some sort of event. The name Adams Rite is synonymous with aluminum storefront hardware, not only exit devices, but of course latches, deadbolts, operating trim for those in both quite mechanical and traditional, all the way up to electronic combination material. Electric strikes they're very well known for. Sliding door locks that you'll see not only in homes, you know, sliding door lock, but in boats. There's a lot of Adams Rite locks installed in cabin doors in boats. And then Adams Rite also has a collection of other unique pieces of equipment. And sometimes I'm able to use the Adams Rite catalog more as an idea book rather than just a catalog of what they manufacture. Very handy document, that full product catalog. Any questions on the Adams Rite? This is their 41-0901-05 end cap or any other Adams Rite product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.